Welcome to our 10-minute low-impact movement session. Let's get started right away. Let's just raise the arms up overhead. Look up to the sky. Just wake our bodies up gently. We're going to take real ownership of our energy today. It's going to carry us through the entire day. Come here to boost our mood, elevate that energy, build incredible strength, mobility, balance when we continue to show up every day. Reach the arms up as high as possible. Bend the knees just a tiny bit. Let's just wake up. Got a beautiful practice today. A couple challenging movements towards the end. You modify everything to suit your needs. Meet me where you're at, and we will have a tremendous session. Movement that's going to carry us through the day, inspire us to move more throughout our day. We come here so that we can move more to move more. All right, let's really wake up our back, our shoulders. Bend down, hinge at the hips just a little bit. Feel the weight of your arms hanging and begin. Breathe in, arm comes up. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Just connect that movement to your breath. And once you're feeling it, maybe increase the pace just a little bit and get kind of playful. Maybe you hit the palms of your hands to move your arm up, real pendulum. So we're focusing on our arms here. Maybe if the lower back is stiff and sore, we redirect our attention. Oh, put that direction on your palms. My back doesn't hurt so much anymore when I don't completely focus on it. Open up that side body, open up. Start to sway your hips just a little bit. Here we go. Now we're starting to feel alive. Oh, can you twist just a little bit deeper when you come to the top? Yeah. And let's rise up. Okay. We're going to step back and twist. Arms up nice and high. Building strength in the shoulders, in the upper back. We build this incredible mobility in our spine. Head up high and just find a movement that feels right for you. Connect to that breath. Watch the monkey mind. Let's be here now. How about a bit of pace? Let's get that heart rate up. Real Qigong inspired movements we've been going through lately. I'd like to add just a little bit, another element of pace, get that stamina up. All we're doing is really focusing on that inner energy. Let's build it. Take ownership of our energy. We don't let anything outside of us affect what's going on the inside. Oh yeah, easier said than done. Yep, that's what makes it worthwhile. Okay, ooh, how about that? Feeling it? Yes. Legs more than shoulder width apart. Let's rock up onto our heels. Engage your core. Feel it there. Really breathe into the movement. I'm going to start to push down. When I come to one side. Whoa, there's the balance. There we go. Again, just find the movement that works for you. Yeah. Now when I come to the other side now, I'm going to go up. Bring the arms up overhead as high as possible. Feel that great stretch in your shoulders, the upper back. Build this amazing mobility, strength in our legs. Oh, incredible core stability here. Last one. Ooh, that is nice. Okay. Hinge at your hips. If you can come to flat back, beautiful. Spread your fingertips nice and wide, and then row up and make a fist when you come to the top. Row, make a fist. Let's go a few there. Great for grip strength. Incredible strength in the back. Bring your shoulder blades together when you come to the top. Couple more. Let's rise up and just twist there for a second. We're gonna come back down into the same movement, but just twist. Feel nice on the lower back. Are you ready? As well am I. Let's do it. Hinge down. Real strong move. Bend your hip, bend your knees generously. If you're feeling any real pain, stop the movement. But a little bit of discomfort is okay. Really strong grip. Yeah. Pull it up. Shoulder blades together. Oh, yes. A couple more. And rise up. Ooh, let's twist that out. Just gentle. Oh, yes. Breathe into the movement. Amazing. Sumo squat. Come on down. Rise up. Hands come overhead. We look to the sky. Let's go just a few here. Build incredible strength. Breathe in. Hold it for a second. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Rise up and breathe out. Two more here. Maybe this should be the last one. It feels so good. Oh, shake, shake, shake. All right. Take your right arm and make some nice big circles. Swing really far from side to side. And I'm going to start to come up onto my tippy toes. Engage your core. Do your best here. Your feet and ankles will be going in this circular motion also. Just do what you can. Full body mobility here. Oh, the sun is rising. Our energy, our mood is rising. Yeah. Oh, let's change arms. Swing the opposite way. Just get the arm going. Small movements in the lower body to begin. And when you're ready, start to come up onto the balls of your feet, just to the best of your ability. Maybe you can't do that yet. Oh, I'm not there yet. It's all right. Micro movements. Do what you can. We'll get there. Oh. Try to lengthen your body. Get up as high as you can. Whoa, there's some balance. Yes, engage that core. Ooh. Last couple. Oh, yeah. All right. Two more movements. Just a real easy step back and lunge down. Now, I invite you to do this movement if you like. Lovely. Head up high. Swing the arms with intention. Sink down as best you can. I am coming to the ground. I'm gonna touch my knee to the grass, to the floor maybe. If that's accessible, go for it. Maybe a couple, maybe one. Just do what you can. Feel that strength in your quads, that flexibility and mobility you're creating. Head up high. I think I can. I think I can. Yes, we can. Oh, couple more here. And, well, one more. Just to be sure. Okay, let's work on some balance. Ooh, it's gotten very sunny. I'm coming over here where it's not so bright in my face. Okay. You're gonna do this to the best of your ability. We're gonna work on some balance. I'm going to come into standing pigeon, really build some flexibility in the hip, in the glutes here, and sitting down. This maybe you just put a toe and gain some balance in a sort of modified tree posture, wherever you're at. Maybe you can get your ankle to touch your shin. Maybe you come up onto the knee and sink down a little bit. You're gonna really feel that in the glute. Incredible stretch, amazing balance, engage the core. Sometimes we gotta challenge ourselves. Just do what you can. If you have a chair nearby, wonderful. The chair is great. You're still gonna get that great stretch, and you pull your hand off the chair every once in a while. Balance, oh, use the chair. You just do you. Sink down maybe a little bit further. Oh, feel that great stretch. We're alive. Yes. Oh, let's go to the other side. Again, modify. Do what works best for you. Sink down if you can. Oh, just feel the stretch. And again, maybe you're just here. It doesn't matter. You're moving your body. You're showing up. You're building presence, consistency. Oh, yes. What an amazing stretch. We got this. Come on up. Oh, yes. Oh, mwah. Oh, it feels good to be alive and move our bodies. Yes, you agree. Let's take one moment here. I just heard the greatest definition of meditation. It doesn't have to be some esoteric discipline where we shut our mind down, we control our thoughts, nonsense. The mind is a thought-making machine. What it really is remaining in touch with our being in the midst of experiences. I love that idea. So meditation, everything we do all day can be a form of meditation, just being in touch with ourselves, our being, no matter what's going on outside of us. Let's just take a breath here and just remain in touch with your being in the midst of experience. This is the experience I'm having right now. How do I remain in touch with my being and not let what's outside of me control my energy on the inside? Just breathe, be. Oh, hallelujah. Life is good. Hello, sunshine. We're losing light quickly here in Helsinki. I don't know what we're going to do. It's going to get dark soon. We'll figure it out. Yes, go have the most remarkable day. I'm so grateful to you. Oh, stay in touch with your being in the midst of experience. How wonderful. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.